Hey everyone! Today we're reviewing the 10.25-inch car stereo upgrade for BMW X5 and X6 models from 2014 to 2017 with the NBT system. If you've been wanting wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, and a modern touchscreen without losing your factory BMW look, this is the perfect upgrade. This head unit from Road Top/NBT Linux system fits right into your dashboard and integrates perfectly with your original iDrive controller. You keep all your OEM features, just with smarter tech, smoother performance, and a gorgeous display. Wireless and wired Apple CarPlay plus Android Auto. Enjoy seamless phone integration, navigation, music, and calls, all hands-free right on your BMW screen. 10.25-inch HD touchscreen display. A crisp, high-resolution panel that brings a modern luxury look to your interior. Built-in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Connect your phone or stream music wirelessly with stable connections and quick pairing. Retains all factory BMW functions. You still have access to iDrive menus, parking sensors, and original system info, fully compatible with NBT. Easy plug-and-play installation. No coding, no wire cutting, simply connect the included harness and mount the screen for a factory-style fit. OEM-style fit and finish, looks like it came straight from the BMW factory. Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto work flawlessly, quick boot up, minimal lag. Big, vibrant touchscreen transforms your interior and adds modern convenience. Installation can take time, especially removing the old screen if you're new to it. Slight delay when switching between OEM and Android menus. Overall, this 10.25-inch car stereo upgrade for the BMW X5 and X6 is one of the cleanest, most functional retrofits you can get. You keep your factory system, gain wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, and give your BMW a tech refresh it truly deserves. Check it out now on Amazon, links in the description or tap here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more car upgrade reviews. See you in the next drive.